today you are watching Phones on Talk QA with me, Karishma Rana, and today we are going to talk about HTC Desire 728. Yes, today we are going to talk about Desire 700 series, and that is 728. Talking about this series, we can say that this series was for the upgradation of Desire 628, which had few drawbacks out there, but still it was considered as an upgraded version as compared to Desire 728. Yes, that's the major thing out है. 728 का एक upgraded version माना जा रहा है अभी भी 628 को, जबकि 728 जो है upgraded version बनाने की कोशिश की गई थी 628 की. So first, let us know the specifications and differences of these two, and then we'll see why it is said so. Talking about the specifications for 728 series out here, we can say that this series was introduced very early out there. Yes, as an early model out there. The year it was introduced was 2015. Yes, 2015 was the year. So HTC has a problem with the numerics, I guess, because every time they introduce a phone, they had to introduce with a backward number so that it becomes an upgraded version of the previous one. 728 was supposed to be the upgraded version of 628, which was released in 2016. And apart from that, it was released in 2015, which was 728. So how could it be an upgraded version? But still, it was a nice variant to see that it has few similarities with the variant out here. Talking about the variant out here, 628 had a higher weight, would be said wrong. Yes, it has a very lightweighted. It was lightweighted. It did not have a higher weight. It was less than 145 grams, whereas 728 was more than 150 grams. So it was very indisciplined or inconvenient to say that this was not a light variant out here. 728 is not a light variant out here. Whereas the screen size has definitely increased in 728. According to the screening out here, 728 was 5.5 inch screen size. Yes, 5.5 inch was the screen size for the variant of 728, where you will see the Super LED 2 capacitive touchscreen. Super LED 2 capacitive touchscreen was seen out here. You will also get to see that this screening out here has not improve the resolution capacity. Resolution remained very less out there as compared to 628. 628 had 294 ppi density, whereas 728 had 267. Lollipop version or the Android used out here was Lollipop Android 5, which was still the same out here. Yes, that was same out here. But we can see the upgraded version or the internally upgraded version was used out here. So that was much not acceptable thing out here, but was an okay variant out here. MediaTek का processing system था, so that was the okay variation. These things remain the same. The CPU processing system out there, MediaTek and the octa-core processor out there, everything remain the same. As well as you will get to see that the external storage capacity in this variant is not much as compared to 628. 628 had 32 GB storage capacity, whereas 728 had 16 GB storage capacity. But talking about the RAM, it's quite a good variant as compared to other Desire series of 2013 and 14 models, because it has two variants. One was 1.5 and another was 2 GB variant. So that was really a nice variant out here that they had a good variation. Whereas talking about this phone, we can say that this phone had 13 megapixel rear camera, which remained the same, but the focal length definitely changed out over here. The focal length of the 13 megapixel has reduced out there. Whereas the selfie camera has also remained the same with the focal length reduced and the wide angle increasing. Yes, the wide angle has increased, which is now 34 mm in 728 series. Talking about this variant, we can say that it had all other specifications, LED and HDR, good quality of video, everything out there, along with Bluetooth, infrared points is not there, radio is there, NFC is there, everything out there can be seen. But what remained highlighted, or we can say what remained constant out this was the battery life. Yes, the battery life of HTC Desire 728 was much better than the Desire 628. It had a battery life of 2800 mAh. Yes, it had a battery life of 2800 mAh. That's a wonderful variation out here. 2800 mAh की बैटरी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी कही जा सकती है. So it can be said rightly that this variant had a good battery life out there. So it was one of the great variants at the time. But still, apart from that, lot of things are there which are not up to the mark or which are not up to the like expectations out there. So there are various sites which offers great pricing for this, but a site offers you a profitable rates, and you can check out this model on the site, which is named as phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name out here, phonezone.ae. You not just get your one model out here, you get n number of models and products of these reputed brands. Yes, the category is all mobile phones, and you get all the favorite brands and reputed brands out here. You also get to see that you get 6 months warranty along with 70 exchange policy. Along with that, you also get COD and free shipping out there, and they are offering you amazing original products out here. So you can definitely check this out. This is the search icon out here where you have to just type your favorite model and you get the results out here. So this is all about the website and the model out here. Hope you all liked it, and if you have query, then you can let us know in the comment section. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next